Hey guys, Kiran R.K.G here. Today we are going to talk about 3 important plugins which you need for WordPress SEO. The number one plugin which you need is Yoast. Yoast SEO plugin will help you to add meta tags, meta descriptions, and schema markups on your web pages. It will help Google to understand each purpose of your web pages, and it will also help you to optimize your overall website for search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. So the second important plugin is called Smosh. Smosh is an image compression and optimization plugin. You can use Smosh to compress your website images without losing its quality. When your images are compressed, your website will be loading more faster in your client's web browser. It will help you to increase your rankings in Google search results. The third important plugin is called an AMP plugin. AMP is accelerated mobile pages. When you implement AMP in your website web pages will be loading more faster in mobile devices. AMP is optimized for mobile devices, and Google will cache your AMP pages and store them in their web servers so that it will be loading lightning fast on Google search results, and it can also help you to get more search rankings in Google search results. So here's the bonus one, the fourth important plugin which you need for WordPress SEO. It's called Wordfence plugin. Wordfence plugin will help you to make your website more strong and more secure. It's a security based plugin. You can use this plugin to scan your website and see for many malicious scripts or malicious codes. If you're finding any malicious scripts or malicious codes, you can remove them using one single click. And it will also help you to make your website more secure from bot attacks and security level attacks. So if your website is more strong and more secure, you will rank more higher in Google. If you need any help with social media management, check out our social media management platform, Circle. If you like this video, then share and subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next video.